Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 10T and let me show you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and make sure that you're on a photo mode. Now let's tap on this 3 bars icon, and as you can see on the second bar we've got the timer options. Now the timer is off, but we can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick for example 10 seconds delay. In order to choose it, just tap on it. As you can see, it is immediately marked. So now we can get back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, now let's check another option, so the 3 bars icon. Let's choose the 3 seconds delay for example. And the same situation, but now it is counting down from 3. In order to turn off the timer, just go back to the settings and tap on this clock icon. Let's get back, and as you can see, from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Xiaomi Mi 10T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.